Think saving money on a low income means giving up everything you love. Think again. In this video, we're sharing real practical ways to save money, even if your income is tight, without feeling deprived, miserable, or stuck. Because building a better financial life shouldn't feel like punishment. From mindset shifts to daily habits and clever hacks, these strategies are all about making the most of what you have, without sacrificing the joy in your life. Track every dollar you spend. Before you can begin saving money, the first step is understanding exactly where your money is going. Many people underestimate how much they spend because they don't track it closely. For the next 2 weeks, write down every single expense, no matter how small. This includes your morning coffee, snacks, groceries, online subscriptions, transportation, and even rent or utility bills. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or just the Notes app on your phone. The goal here is not to feel guilty or criticize yourself. It's purely about becoming more aware of your spending habits. Most people are surprised by what they learn during this process. They realize they've been spending on things they didn't really notice or even value, like unused subscriptions or frequent takeout meals. These hidden habits can add up quickly over time. By seeing your spending patterns clearly, you gain the power to make better financial choices. You'll be able to distinguish between what's truly important and what can be reduced or eliminated. This clarity allows you to adjust your budget in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Awareness is the foundation of saving. Once you know where your money is going, you can start directing it with purpose toward things that truly matter to you. Automate small amounts. Saving money doesn't have to mean putting away large amounts at once. In fact, starting small is often more effective and sustainable. You can begin by setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Even $5 or $10 a week can make a difference. This small amount is moved before you even notice it's gone, reducing the temptation to spend it elsewhere. What's powerful about this approach is consistency. If you save just $20 a month, that's $240 in a year, not including any interest your savings may earn. Over time, this builds a healthy savings habit and proves that you don't need to wait for a big windfall to start saving. The automatic nature of the transfer is key. It removes the need for willpower or reminders. You won't have to think about saving every month. It simply happens in the background. Eventually, you won't even miss the money, and you'll see your savings grow with minimal effort. The goal is progress, not perfection. Saving small amounts consistently can have a big impact over time, and it helps build financial security without feeling like a burden. Automating your savings turns a good intention into a reliable habit that works for you. Master the art of free entertainment. Entertainment doesn't have to come with a high price tag. There are plenty of ways to have fun and stay engaged without spending much or anything at all. Libraries are a great place to start. They offer free access to books, movies, internet, and often host events like book clubs, author talks, or skill-building workshops. These resources are available to everyone and can be a rich source of entertainment and learning. Parks are another free option that many people overlook. You can go for a walk, have a picnic, exercise, or simply enjoy the fresh air. Many parks also host seasonal events, concerts, and festivals that are free to attend. Museums in many cities offer free admission days or pay-what-you-can hours, which allow you to enjoy art, history, and culture at no cost. Community centers often run affordable classes in everything from fitness to arts and crafts. These can be a fun way to learn something new and meet people in your area. Additionally, local Facebook or meetup groups often post about free or low-cost events happening nearby. The key is to explore options that align with your interests. With a little effort, you can find enjoyable, meaningful activities that don't strain your budget, proving that entertainment doesn't have to cost a dime. Cook at home more strategically. Eating out regularly can quickly drain your budget, but saving money on food doesn't mean you have to master gourmet cooking. Start small and keep it simple. Focus on easy meals made with low-cost, nutritious ingredients like rice, beans, pasta, eggs, and seasonal vegetables. These staples are versatile, filling, and easy to prepare, even for beginners. Batch cooking is a powerful way to save both time and money. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend making meals like soup, chili, stir fries, or casseroles. One big pot can provide several portions that you can refrigerate or freeze for the week ahead. This reduces the temptation to order takeout when you're tired or short on time. Use the 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. Impulse buying destroys savings goals faster than almost anything else. Before purchasing anything non-essential over $20, wait 24 hours. Write down what you want to buy and why. Often, you'll realize you don't actually need or want the item after sleeping on it. This simple pause helps distinguish between genuine needs and temporary wants, preventing buyer's remorse and protecting your savings goals. Find ways to reduce fixed expenses. Your biggest savings opportunities often lie in your largest expenses. Call your phone, internet, and insurance companies annually to ask about discounts or lower-cost plans. Many companies offer deals to retain customers, but won't advertise them openly. Consider switching to a cheaper cell phone plan or bundling services for discounts. Review subscriptions monthly and cancel ones you rarely use. Even saving $30 monthly on bills frees up over $300 yearly for your savings. Take advantage of free money opportunities. Look for legitimate ways to earn small amounts of extra money or save on existing expenses. Many employers offer matching contributions to retirement accounts, which is essentially free money. Cashback apps and credit cards can provide rewards on purchases you're already making, but only use these if you pay balances in full monthly. Some banks offer sign-up bonuses for new accounts. Tax preparation software often costs less than professional services for simple returns, saving you money while ensuring you claim all eligible deductions. Build a small emergency fund first. Before focusing on long-term savings, build a small emergency fund of $200 to $500. This prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise, like car repairs or medical bills. Keep this money in a separate savings account that you only touch for true emergencies. Having this safety net reduces financial stress and helps you stick to your other money-saving strategies because you're not constantly worried about the next financial crisis. Small changes can lead to big wins, even on a tight budget. Which of these tips will you start with? Let us know in the comments. And remember, saving money isn't about restriction, it's about taking control. If this helped you see new possibilities with your income, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to save smarter in 2025. Until next time, stay focused, stay empowered, and keep moving toward the life you deserve.